everybody, welcome to the BC Boutiques channel. This is Javi here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make colorize your cameos using this cameo right here with perfect pearls. So what you need is some water, some brushes. I got ice enamel brushes we have on the website. We have the cameo on the website as well. You need your Teflon mats just in case, no spillage, a little plastic baggie, some toothpicks here, and we're ready to go. And I have some examples here. I use this with embossing ink and a heat gun to get this effect. On this one, it looks like more burgundy than red. And I did one with UV resin as well. You can do whatever you please. And then I have a metal piece I did with water. This is another technique. With water was the red, and then I did with paint pens, the white and the gold. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly. Hopefully I can get this. And we can get started. So I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to get the perfect pearls in the water. Hopefully I don't spill the water. Here's some water. Please use some bottled water because it's probably the best result. And we don't know what's in our, regular water. And I'm going to use a little plastic baggie here. I'm going to dump some in here. Oops, way too much of a dumping. I'm going to close that up really quickly. I hope you're having a happy Friday. Okay, so here's a cameo. Whoops, I need this here. And we should get one of our brushes here. I have a brush right here ready to go. And I'm going to zoom in here just a little bit for you guys so you guys can see the process. Hopefully I can get this all in frame. This is my trouble right here. And all you have to do to get started is dip this little brush in here and tap it on the paper towel here. And just start going. Make this into a paste if you can. I know if you're living in a sunny area, this tends to just do your best. Just paint the cameo, sorry. There we go. And so it turns like that. And if you like the watery effect, go for it, because sometimes I'm just gonna aim for everything as quickly as possible here. I'm gonna try to get this. Ooh, the watery effect does look nice though. I don't know. What do you guys think? I was kind of aiming for that. This takes several layers to get on. You might have to do, I might have to get a lot here. Might have to do a couple layers. For this cameo I did right here, I did 3 layers. So, wow, I'm not getting anything here. Here we go. That was too pasty. There we go. So I'm just gonna put it around the lady here. You can always colorize the lady too. That is not a problem. I'm gonna try to get this on frame. Sorry guys. I kind of do like the water effect. If you guys like the water effect, go for it. Kind of looks like she's splashing into the water like that. Whoops, big chunk there. I'm trying to get it even, but hey, some things don't work out, guys. I don't know how that worked out better than what I'm doing here. Yeah, sometimes some days do better than others. And I'm trying to get this on frame. Sorry, guys. Please forgive me. Okay, I'm just gonna... First coat never comes out great. Second coat usually better than the first coat. So try to get to every corner if you can. I'm trying to not get the leaves here. There we go. You guys can keep that watery effect if you want. And just like, ooh, that's a nice, you don't have to do so much to it. I'm just trying to get these little corners here a little bit harder for me. Honestly, I don't know why. It should be easy for me. But today is not my day. Okay. So, I'm just trying to get all these little corners here. I'm going to move her up here a little bit. Oops, I hope I didn't get blue on her. Now, you guys can colorize her. That's perfectly fine. I just don't want her colorized because I like her color, and I can't get that in a Perfect Pearls color. So, yeah. Ooh, I kind of like that watery splashing. You guys can keep that. If you, at any time, you can always stop. You might have to seal this, with, probably, with some swell again, or something to seal the background. I didn't seal mine. It doesn't come off. It doesn't rub off on your skin either. No, it doesn't. So, I mean, you whatever you're pleased, but I don't know. So, not that I don't know. With UV resin, you already have it, like, done, and with the heating, kind of heats it up. I don't know if I heat this up, it would change the look of it. But I kind of wanted a matte finish kind of way, and you might have to take several layers, like I said. It's not going to look perfect the first time. It might take a couple just to get this nice. I'm just trying to get a paste here going. But yeah, there we go. Woohoo! And don't forget to get your corners here too. Your edges, I mean. Might be best. I'm just going to flip her around here, round town. Just get the other side here. Just, if it doesn't look the greatest, you can always rinse this off with water and it will come right off. So if you don't like how the result looks, go ahead and you can remove it. It's easy to remove. I know UV resin, you really can't, and neither when you emboss it as well. But this technique you can, if you don't like it. So I'm just going to try my best here. I'm working under different situations. Okay, I'm just going to... Oops, I kind of ran out. I'm just going to keep working at it until I see like a result I like. And I might not be able to show this on camera, but I might just have to do like the third or second or fourth layer, you know, off camera, so I can kind of get this. I'm just trying to show you the basics, so we can have a shorter video, so you don't have to sit here and watch this. It's like, you know, it's like watching paint dry, and it is kind of drying. So, just depends on you. But that is pretty much the whole process, guys. Just dab water, and then let it dry for the first layer. I'm trying to get to all the corners. This is a little bit harder than I thought. Sometimes you'll get that. That happens right here because I didn't let it dry. So if, I'm going to zoom in there. The reason why you see that is starting to look like to peel off, because that's not dried. So if you're having that, I would stop. Like, I could just stop right now, but I tend to never stop. So I'm going to just stop right there, put the next layer after this, and then you're probably done. I would wait like 5 to 6 minutes so it can dry completely, and then put the next layer. It takes a little bit of time, but you can do it, especially if you're doing several of them at the same time. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, after it was dried, I did another layer on it, and I think I'm going to be done at this time. So I kind of let it, so I'm going to pick it up for you guys so you guys can see. It's a little bit chunkier than I wanted it to be on here. Let's see if I can pick it up here. So you could see, it looks like a little foil back, a foil top. Sorry, not back. So, you know, it's totally different when the one I did. It could be just because, I don't know. I'll have to figure it out, and I'll tell you guys in the comments below. But for now, if you guys like this project, you could always try to do the UV way. It does the same way, just turns out differently each time. And the same thing with embossing, whatever's easier for you. You have several ways you can do it. You can do it with embossing ink and then heat it up with the gun. And these all turned out great. I mean, and then I did this with UV resin. I did 2 layers for that. And then I did this with water. And then as well, this is with water. So if you guys like this project, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to know more about, you know, how to do this, please leave it in the comments below. Maybe I can figure out and answer your question. So I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye.